So today I thought we'd just draw a nice bird for my 100th class on Insight Timer. Something nice and easy and yeah, fun, and I love birds. And there's been so many birds out lately. In fact, during my meditations lately, I've been putting on bird TV for my cats so they sit with me when I meditate every morning. My hour-long meditation. Just put on the bird TV, the cat TV, which is all a bunch of birds. So I've been kind of noticing that there's so many different birds in this world. And some of them are just brilliant. Today you can draw a hummingbird if you want to, but today I'm drawing sort of just a nondescript Zentangle bird with patterns. Rhonda says, we call it bird TV when my cat Lola looks out the window. Yeah, that too, right? So my cats have a choice. They can either look out the window or they can look at the TV, which is generally a lot more birds on the TV than in my window. We have crows here. Okay, so let's start with a pencil line that goes kind of just arching in the corner here. And this will be where the bird's standing. So about a little bit closer to the top, let's draw his little feet. There's a 1, 2, 3. Actually, they should be closer together. There's a big-footed bird. And then bird's feet kind of come like this. I don't want to do it too big. Let me do a little bit smaller. This is why we do it in pencil. Start with the bird's feet today. Why not? I don't know why. Just because. He's grabbing onto this. Because it's a rounded thing, we want to kind of curve the toes a little bit. That'll look better once it's in pen. And then the other one kind of coming from the same spot. Let's make it a bit straighter here. And one's going to go behind. Yeah, that's going to go behind. And then curving and curving. Okay, the bird feet. I don't know. These ones just look kind of funny. Let me try one more time. Maybe yours look better than mine. I mean, whatever. It's just pencil. It's just fun. Let's just have fun with it. We'll do pterodactyl toes on our crazy bird. All right, now I want to make my bird nice and fat. That's why I didn't want to do a hummingbird today. So, well, we can do a hummingbird next time. Or actually, I have planned for next time. It's going to be more of a space scene. Okay, so let's get his belly on there. And then his tail is going to go down like this. So the belly, and then coming up, and then his little beak. And then the round head. Oh boy, I don't have enough room for the wings. I mean, you can make the wings go down, but I'm going to maybe make my wings come off the page a little bit. Or maybe onto the other page. Why not? My wings are just going to be all crazy Zentangle-y spirals just because I'm being artistic today. And they're not going to quite look like real wings. I'm just feeling a certain way, and that means that I don't want to follow any conventions. I want to go off the page and make my wings spirals, and who knows, right? And these tail feathers can be coming off the page too, and then coming up to here. And that way I know where to bring the wing to. Just have fun with your bird and the wings and do all kinds of fun spirals or whatever you want. You can make it look like feathers too if you want to. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. You know that. Just enjoy the process. Have fun with it. This is just kind of the sketch idea. I feel like I have to come off my page here a little bit too. a little bit more. That's okay. My next picture will understand. It's actually kind of cool when the pictures sort of blend into each other a little bit. And however you want to do your eyeball. And however you want to, I'm just kind of finishing this up. Do the body. The body's where I'm going to add the Zentangle patterns into those spots. Already so fun. Just a fun, free-flowing bird. Don't worry if yours doesn't look like mine. It does not have to. I'm going to also put spirals in my background. Maybe some kind of mandala-like flower. And spirals in the sky. All right. And grabbing the pen, because that's a good enough sketch to see where we're going with it. It looks like a bird butterfly hybrid. Oh yeah, or maybe a bee too, right? There's no kind of type of bird. This is my own Katia made up bird. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Okay, I am just gonna start with the outline. Oh, thanks, Mighty. I like your name, Mighty. Mighty and strong. How is yours looking? Are you drawing with us today? I'm just having fun. It's kind of hard to mess up a bird. Just go with it. It's cute, right? My mighty pterodactyl leg bird. Actually, I want to call this bird Mighty. Can I use your name, Mighty, and call my bird Mighty? It's like pterodactyl, bee, butterfly, and bird hybrid. And the legs are all black. Sure. My mighty bird. With its little sections there. And I'm just starting the outline, and then the fun part will be all the patterns. I have been drawing all day. Getting ready for a tattoo tomorrow. My client wants just so many dots tomorrow. I'll be tattooing with only dots pretty much all day. Yeah, just dots. It's a dotty day tomorrow. Constantly dots. In mandala pattern and just going around another tattoo that he has on his chest. So that will be my day tomorrow. So I'm just going to practice my little dots here with my smaller pen. Maybe the 3. Amy, I was using the 8 there. You're always asking what pens I'm using. You can also put just patterns in this tail feather. Of course, you don't have to do dots. I just feel like practicing for tomorrow. It's a beautiful day. I've been drawing on my on my deck with my cats. Oh yes, I'm obsessed. I meditate with them, I draw with them. But why not? Why is it autofocusing? I turned that off. Let me try turning it off again. Oh, and then it doesn't show me where it is, of course. Oh, I turned off auto zoom. Okay, there we go. Autofocus is now officially off. I don't know. Maybe I'll make these lines a little bit thicker. Straighten them out a little bit. I guess Peter Brook never made it today. Boo. I think the cipher last week was kind of hard for her. All right, Birdie. Let's do this pattern inside. It's kind of just a fun pattern where you go like that a couple times, and then from the corner, do it again, and then where else? I don't know. This way, just lines in random directions. Something like that. It's like he's going to be wearing a little jacket. I want to make the lines really thick to match his thick legs. Because I want this page to be a little bit darker to match the spaceman at the top. Okay. This way. Random directions. I'm just going to do the same pattern because it's so fun. It's like little rainbows or ripples. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. last one. Okay, onto the wing. Oh, the things that happen when you just randomly draw a bird. What should we do on the head? Maybe another, like a dark head. Make these a little bit darker at the base. A dark-headed bird? What do you think? Sure, why not? I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do maybe like triangles in the bird. To match the triangles over here. And then match his beak. And do the rest kind of dark. Oh, his eye is just gonna blend in, so I left a little space there. Oh no, I went over a triangle. I can always use the white afterwards and add lines in there. Oh, I went over another triangle. Ah! Just use the white after. And add something on top of it in white. I appreciate that so many of you just keep coming back every week. It's really great to get to know people this way. I mean, it's different, that's for sure. And really, all of these classes just started because I can't really find people that want to get together and draw with me here in Vancouver in person, like groups of people. Maybe I could find them if I tried harder, but gathering people is not really something I love doing. People gathering. I used to do it. Okay, I don't know what happened to all my white pens. That was a whiteout pen, not like one of the jelly roll pens. Where are they all? Hold on a second, I'll be right back. Okay, here's a couple. Jelly roll. Maybe I have to let the black kind of sit for a bit. Sit for a bit. All right, I'm just gonna leave that for now and do the wings. And also, with the jelly roll, I want to get rid of this line here. See, these aren't the good jelly roll. I did a complete office clean out the other day. Is that one? Oh yeah, here's one. So I think I pushed some of my pens back. Okay, yeah, here's another one. Okay, we're good. Between these four, I've got to find one that works. This one's not too bad. Might need to do a couple of layers of white, so I'll wait till that dries. Turn this a little bit. Oh, I wish I could play Nessie Gomez. I got a song stuck in my head by her right now. But I definitely get a copyright streak on my YouTube. Okay, let me put something on. Since it's only been 27 minutes, something chill. Oh, I haven't checked the chat in so long. I'm sorry. I kind of forgot about it. Oh, nobody's written anything. Cool. Good. I mean, not good. It's just because I haven't checked it. Yeah, Amy, sometimes when you're not here, I will still tell you what size pen I'm using. I tell it to Amy even though she's not here. Oh, I don't like this song. Okay. Yeah, my kind of theme for this bird is just making it kind of a darker bird, adding lots of black to it. Maybe those circles. It's so dark. I'm kind of hiding behind this camera here. Sorry. How are your birds looking? If you think you're done, just add more because we still have 20 minutes. Just stand back, look at it. It's definitely tricky to draw on this little corner here of my page to get into the crevice. Yeah, I'm glad you're back too, Amy. It's always nice to see you. I just scheduled all my classes for the next month or so. One I'm going to be doing a Tuesday because, well, actually the next 2 weeks will be 12 o'clock. Sorry, Australia. Sorry, Australia. The next 2 weeks are going to be 12 o'clock because Well, next week's a 12 o'clock week because this week's 5. And then the week after is Balam's 40th birthday. Woohoo! So we're gonna go celebrate, go out for dinner. I know he won't mind that I tell everybody. And honestly, 12 o'clock is just easier for me in the summer. Right now here it's 5 o'clock p.m. Okay, I'm going to try to get rid of that line again in a second. Oh, maybe I can do that black though, and then it covers a lot of the line. Ooh, that's a good idea. Okay, more circles. And then black. You can't even see what I'm doing, probably till I keep... Oh, you keep losing the connection. Oh, too bad, Evelina. That's weird. Is anybody else losing the connection? I guess not. Nope. Rhonda says nope. Yeah, I think Rhonda, you were my very first class I ever did. I remember you from there, and Peter Brook and Sandy, who never shows up anymore, I don't think, but... Or maybe he does? And I remember for the longest time I thought Sandy was a girl. Well, yay. Well, yay. Yeah, that covered the line a little bit better. Let's see if I can get more ink out of these jelly rolls. They're great little pens when they work. Ah, this one's good. It changed his eye a little bit too. I'm trying to make him look happy, but I don't know, he looks more scared. It's funny. It's all interesting. All the little tiny... I think that's better. Just a little tiny details that you do in the eye can change the whole look of your entire drawing. Okay, let's do the branch that he's standing on, or whatever it is. Time for the background, 42 minutes, 10 minutes left. We'll stop it at the 52 mark, and then we have about 8 minutes to show your drawings if you feel like emailing them to me. I'm also going to erase some of the pencil that you can still kind of see on there. Clean it up a little bit. I don't like that spot. Maybe I'll add some black there, cover it. It's in the crease. It's such a hard spot, that crease. Okay, good enough. quickly get into the background here again because I got distracted again at the bird. Ah. 4 minutes. Speed drawing for 4 minutes. Get it done. Not second thinking, not second guessing yourself. Putting some dots in the little branch. And what that mark is there. I'm just gonna do some like of these stars in the background. Well, actually first I'll finish off these petals. And then I'll just do stars in the background to finish it up. Okay. They're so easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. It's like a nightingale. That's what kind of bird this is. Oh, we were gonna put some cipher in it. Did you put cipher in yours? We still have 2 minutes. That's probably like a 4-letter word. What word? I already have like love and calm, I think, in my last one. Just gonna quickly add some details to this flower while I think of a word. Okay. Get my cheat sheet out. Where to even put it? Okay. Just down here really small with a small pen. Where's my small pen? Ah. I found the lid to it. Oh, here it is. Oh, I didn't leave much room for this. Okay, I'm gonna do another one at the top since I have for 20 seconds. I can do it. Okay, we're done. See how cool it looks just adding a little bit of cipher into your picture? It just gives it some kind of like, oh, wonder what that is, you know? Although the stars kind of look a little bit like it could be a part of it there. But you know it's not. And I know it's not. And it does not matter. Alright, how's yours looking? I can't stop. Stop, Katia, stop. Okay, I'm done. That was fun. And I made it nice and dark to match the spaceman we did a couple weeks ago. And I added some cipher to match that one. So I'm happy. If anybody wants to try to translate my cipher, well, might be tricky because I have to move this back. Stay. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright. If you want to try to translate it, it's all on there. It's between A and M. There's nothing past A and M. I made quick work of that bird. Hey, Mende, I didn't even know you were here. Thank you, thank you. Rhonda sent hers. She got ink smudges there, here, and there. Bummer. Yeah, I know. It just sucks when that happens. I'm gonna try to move this over so people can see my bird better. Aha. Okay. If anybody deciphers... Yeah, but what about the side one, Balam? It's... You got it, though. You got it. I am a... I guess it's 3 words. Llama. I think that was llama. Yeah, this is an I, not an L. There. I am a... The other one's so hard to see. Okay, let's go check Rhonda's. Bird! Catherine got it! Woohoo! That was fun. Thanks for playing with me. My decipher the cipher game. I am a bird. Yeah, I couldn't think of anything more original than that. But that was fun class. That was a good class for my 100th. So please send your drawings to me so everybody can see them at Katia, artwork by Katia7@gmail.com. All right, we've got Rhonda's and Balam's. Ready, ready, ready? Oh, I just love it. They're so unique and awesome. Look at Rhonda's. Look how cool. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It makes me so happy to see this. I love the little dandelion puff you did at the bottom. And look at her little like bug climbing up the tree branch. Oh, it's so good, Rhonda. The happy singing bird. Yeah, yours looks really happy. I love what you did with the eyes. So unique and original. And I like that the claws are also kind of like monster feet. Oh, thanks, Brian, for the donation. Appreciate it so much. Yeah, and I love this one. Okay, now ready for Balams. See how different they are? Like, look. I love the differences, you know? I just love the fact that I can inspire this cool drawing, and it's so unique and it's so original. And Balams. Oh, cool. I love yours too. Look at this. Oh, yours definitely looks like a happy bird, this one. See if you can find the cat hidden in Balam's. And you did some of your cipher in it. Awesome, Balam. So cool. Mende finds the cat. Did you find the cat? Nice headdress. Yeah, it looks like it's... This is all like the feathers of the head and then the 2 wings. Looks like it has a little beard or something coming from the... I don't even know, but it's kind of funny. It's like dripping. It's a wattle? A wattle? Is that what it's called? Like the turkey chin? Do you have catbirds in Canada? Oh, Donna, thanks again for your donation. I was looking at the fact that you donate often. I really appreciate it, Donna. Anyone else want to send theirs? Anybody else? Anybody else? Please do so. I would love to see them. Oh, we've got Amy, work in progress. Not finished, but here's Amy's. So beautiful, Amy. Wow, look at that. Yours is so unique and just like detailed. Look at that. Really cool. I love what you did with the eye and the beak. It almost looks like it has a little cute nose instead of a beak. It's your own creature for sure. Yeah, so much detail on this one. Donna says, this has been so much fun and she's inspired by everyone. Thank you so much, Donna. And you know, this is like, oh, look at this. Avelina. Okay, this is not AI. Like, this is human art. It's so unique and so special. And this one is just, they're all like, look at it. It's crazy cool. Like, I just want this bird to come alive and perch on my shoulder and be my friend, you know? It's just so cool and happy and fluffy looking and soft, and I love it so much. Yeah, the tail is super cool. Wow, so Avelina, this is amazing. I love it. It looks so happy. It looks like you did a little happy face there, like a little smile right there. It makes it so animated. Ah, really cool. Thank you so much for sharing, everybody. Looks like that's it. Unless you put in the chat that you're trying to send yours, I will say goodnight. Rhonda says this was very relaxing. You're welcome. And thank you for joining me. Yes, thank you, Amy, for that fun time centering. It's really good to have you all here, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening or day or whatever it is for you. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody. Thanks for the donations. Hold on a second. And I'll talk to you next week.